Hey guys, today I will show you a basic weaving method that can be incorporated into your macrame pieces or your Macraweave pieces. This method is called the plain weave or the tabby weave. Let's get started. You will need to tie a row of knots. I'm using horizontal double half hitch knots here at the bottom of your work so that the woven section has something to hold it up. Using another piece of cord as your working cord, bring it under then over each filler cord. Here's a variation to this method. Bring your working cord over two, then under two filler cords. To create another row, simply work this method in the opposite direction. Feel free to play around with this method and see what you come up with. You can also create gaps within your work by leaving space in between your rows. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.